Where that?
That's the shrimp. I'm gonna let that saute for a little bit.
Hey Sugar Wugas, I'm back at y'all again with another video. Okay, my Sugar Wugas, how y'all feeling today? Look, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. And if you're always coming by, thank you for always showing Sugar Mama some love. I'm going to go ahead on and pray, and then I'm going to tell you what I'm doing, okay? Amen. Now y'all know Mason is upstairs and he is wide awake. And it's not too late, but you know, it's in the evening. But today for dinner I have shrimp and chicken Alfredo. That's what we had a taste for. Basic Chick fixed this and she cooked it in, and I'm sure it's going to taste good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do Be Love, No Utensil Challenge. When she was fixing this, I was like, you know what, I'm going to do a video. Then I thought about it. Perfect dish to just use my hands, right? I don't mind using my hands because you know I'm just going to go ahead and get into it, okay, my Sugar Wugas? But look, let me show you this goodness. It's just shrimp and chicken Alfredo. That's all, you know. So, I'm just going to get to it. I was doing a thumbnail, y'all. Alright. Alright. Wait a minute. I said I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to... That's what you do. Now, this is messy. That is good, shrimp. Sloppy hands and everything. That's good. Wow. We can try this in a minute. Chicken. That's how y'all be doing with that 2-time spicy stuff. No, you ain't gonna see me do that. Right. Look, you see this hand? This is clean. Like, what do I need that hand for? I don't know. Get something to drink or something? Y'all see I did something to my head, look. Steph, Tasha. Steph, I feel your pain. I don't know if you want to see it, but weighing your hair down, hot, sweating all out. You know, I understand that's why I wear hats a lot, because I don't like the heat get to my hair. It don't do well. I got them. I was hungry too, y'all. You know, every time I come. That's good. And then I got the coldest water bottle. I ain't got no cold, but it's cold as water bottle. I thought I'd just get one because y'all got one. You get good on this grill. Big pieces of chicken. It's good, y'all. Good. Yep. Now close up there. No, in my hands, y'all. Y'all see that? Hey, y'all. This is another one of my favorite dishes, though. It really is. Especially the Alfredo. I like to have crab meat in it too sometimes. Sometimes do that. I was all excited today. I was watching a video today on YouTube. In between while, like I do. I was watching what? Raising a single mom. But I'm gonna make sure I put their description, their info. Sorry, y'all. In the description box, but I was watching their video and they reached, congratulations on your 400 subscribers. And so for their 400 subscribers, they decided to celebrate. And they went and got some blue crab. Boy, y'all, if y'all watching this, I'm going to do another video on one day soon. On crab. And open it up again and show y'all again. Because y'all was struggling. Oh, it's okay though. Y'all try it. Try it. And they mentioned my name. That was exciting. Like, Sugar Mama eats crabs. Yes, I eat crabs a lot. Yes, that I do. Thank y'all for the shout out. Make sure y'all go check them out if y'all already didn't. Yep. And you know what? This stick to your stomach. I'm thirsty, y'all. I know it's there, y'all. I know. But I got to have my Pepsi. Look at y'all. Man. And it's not the kind of lick where it really go away because it's fat. Okay. I put it in the freezer and it got a little slushy. My goodness, this is good. Hey, y'all, I know y'all like when if you drink soda, and you put it in the freezer, and you get that slush in it, y'all know that's good. Yeah. And excuse me, don't say nothing. You got water right there. I know. But I want some soda. Woo! Why do I always have to struggle, y'all? Oh, I'm tired of eating my hands down. Mm, 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 mm. What y'all eating today? What y'all having for dinner? Hmm? What are y'all having for dinner? Of course you know. Uh-oh. Winston is down here. Ah! Here we go. Get. He already doing the most. Yeah. I ate all my shrimp. Out of here. I want to finish. I'm full. Alright, I'll take a sip of water. I'll take a sip. Oh. I didn't know what that was. Look at me. Look. There's some big chunks of chicken. Chicken? Chicken. Chicken. Mm. Sorry, y'all. My bad. Hey, y'all, guess what? I'm almost close to 200 subscribers. Oh, shucks now. Look at me. Trying to show off being consistent. I'm trying to be consistent. Now I got, oh, I thought it was kind of, now I got to figure out, what days I really want to post on in the time. I really have no clue. Do y'all know what time I should post? What days? Because I feel like I got to burp, y'all. It's right here. It's right here. Not burp, but it's right here. I need something. Let me know. Because I'll be like, should I? When I don't know. There you go. Winston. Why you got to play with your toy now? He got the ball with the bell and they ain't want to play. But anyway, yeah. I don't know when I was supposed. I just be like, I just record and like, I'm feeding my rides. I just do what I need to do with it. Throw it at y'all. But if y'all got a little time and you watching this and you didn't let me go yet, and you stay with me until this time right now, tell me what y'all think. All right, I'm gonna put this down real quick. Okay. Oh my God. My soda. know she had a lot of shout outs. I mean, everybody love her, but here you go, beloved. I don't know. This is the challenge. No utensils. I did it. You put it out there and I did it. It was fun. Wasn't too big of a challenge for me, but I did it. The challenge is them 2 times spicy stuff y'all be doing. And the Cheeto thing. Who gonna fix that? I'ma try. And if it fail, I should show y'all that. I don't know. But alright, my sugar woogers. Alright, my sugar woogers. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Show everybody what I'm doing over here. Do whatever you know. Anyway. What was I saying? Comment. Share. All that good stuff. My sugar woogers. I am full. Well, I really was going to say something else, but I forgot. I forgot that quick. Alright. I'm going to let y'all go if y'all didn't already let me go. So, I'm going to leave my sugar woogers with a big old hug. See you on my next video.